Alright, what is up everyone? I have a Bitcoin update for you guys and a Bidao update. I think some very interesting things are happening with Bidao, with Bitcoin, and also Bidao, but Bidao is approaching a very important date. So, before I delve into all of that, I'd like to ask you, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We do cryptocurrency news, technical analysis, and Bidao stuff. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, let's delve into what's been going on with Bitcoin, okay? I think some very interesting things are happening with Bitcoin. I just entered into a long. Let's begin first by kind of zooming out a little bit and talking about the macro picture. So, for those who have been following the channel, during this time here, there was myself and seemingly everyone in the cryptocurrency space. That's hyperbole, guys, but we're predicting during this sideways wedge movement consolidation sideways that we were going to break down and fall to the low 9,000s. Now that did not happen, and when we broke out bullishly, I believe that invalidated all this bearish sentiment, and we've been breaking out bullishly ever since then. In the most recent term here, Bitcoin was in an ascending triangle here, and we broke out bullishly. Okay, in my opinion, we seem to be forming some kind of Elliott wave here in the short term. So I've entered a long because I believe we're in store for much more uptrending in the near future. Now, none of this is financial advice, guys. We could definitely break down. I could definitely be wrong. But given all this bullish price action and a little bit more of the macro picture here, a bullish breakout out of this wedge, a bullish breakout out of this, descending triangle, it just makes sense, guys, that in my opinion, we'd want to, Bitcoin would continue this bullish trend. This is not a guarantee that we're going to just continue going up straight up forever. We could consolidate sideways, we could break down, we could fall down, retest this resistance line here. There's a lot of things that could happen here, guys. This is not financial advice. I'm just talking about what I'm doing. But at the end of the day, all this price action looks extremely bullish to me. In fact, I could even see something like this happening, where we're forming an even more macro Elliott wave. I think something like this is entirely plausible within the next few days and weeks here. Okay, so this is just something I'm keeping an eye out for. I think Bitcoin is very bullish, and there's a likelihood that we can continue to see uptrending here in the near future. Again, guys, none of this is financial advice. I'm not saying what the best entry price is. We can definitely fall down before we see further bullishness. So just take what I say with a grain of salt. But I wanted to give you guys an update because I'm very cautiously optimistic for the future of Bitcoin here, and so much so that I've entered a long position. So we'll see what happens with that, guys. Another point I want to bring up is me and Messin have been trying to implement this new Bollinger Band strategy when it comes to our trading, where we take two Bollinger Bands, one the standard deviation of 3 and the other of 2, and whenever the price action goes in between our two Bollinger Bands, we long if it's on the downside, or we short if it's on the upside here. So as we can see here, we've been testing this strategy with TradingView, and right here, this buy signal we see here for our strategy was set for the standard deviation of 2.5. So when the price action entered literally in between the 2 and the 3, that's when it gave this notification here. And guys, I'm not telling you to follow this strategy. This is just what me and Messin have been kind of testing out here. And so we kind of got a buy signal here, and so that's kind of further confirmation for myself. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but it's just something I've been looking at. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Things are looking good for the future of Bitcoin here. Now, that's not a guarantee, but this is just my opinion. So now that that's wrapped up, I kind of wanted to just touch on what's happening with Bidao real quick. Bidao, for those of you who participated in the ICO, you have until October 20th to claim your tokens if you haven't done so already. And if you haven't noticed, it's October 19th, guys. So today is the last day to claim your bid tokens if you haven't done so already from the ICO stage. Okay, guys, so after October 20th, we can be expecting a token burn of more than half the supply sometime soon, hopefully. Now, Bidao has not put out an official statement yet as to when the exact date of the token burn is, or the exact number of the token burn. The reason why I'm saying more than half token burn we can expect is because back when a Bidao admin was saying that the supply is gonna fall to roughly 1.8 billion. The supply being 4 billion right now, so that's over half. But we'll see. That's yet to be determined exactly what that number will be and when it'll be. But tomorrow is the deadline to claim your bid tokens from the ISO stage if you haven't done so already. So I presume that the token burn will be happening soon after. So we'll see, guys. I'll let you guys know on this channel as soon as we get an update with the token burn. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Okay, so if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that's it, guys. Take care.